Alright, so here we have the brand new Moyu Weilong WR M 2021 edition. This is a pretty hyped up release from Moyu. As you can see, we have the cube and then we have a bunch of accessories. Let's of course get to the cube first. We'll take a look at these accessories later. What I really want to try right now is this cube. Let's just put this back in. Okay, let's open up this plastic wrapping real quick. And I'm curious what the outside will be. Interesting. It's not really frosted and it's not really glossy as well. We have primary internals, and then we have a bunch of adjustment systems, which I will probably get to in my full review on my main channel. Yeah, it's feeling pretty good so far. It's quite fast. It's a bit uncontrollable. Obviously, it is a WRM. Out of the box, these cubes are very uncontrollable. Let's check the corner cutting. 45 degrees, not bad. Reverse corner cutting, pretty good as well. I think it's a little bit tight right now, if I'm going to be honest with you. Yeah, it is quite tight at the moment. I think, like, after this video, I'm just going to loosen it and probably lube it with a little bit of a thicker lube so that it will still be a bit controllable. Because it's a little bit hard to control right now. But I am quite a big fan of this feel. Like, just listen to this. Like, it's a pretty soft and plush feeling, and the cube also feels quite light. It's only 80 grams, if I'm correct. 80 grams, I believe. And yeah, overall, I'm pretty impressed with this out of the box. Considering this is without setup, it's actually pretty good. Okay, let's take a look at the accessories now. So, we have these cards. Let's just get this last one. Okay, so this is just a bunch of cards, and then we have the instruction pamphlet. I really hope one of these teaches me how to use the adjustment system. Does this teach you how to use the adjustment system? No, it does not. Okay, this teaches you how to use the spring adjustment system, but it doesn't say how to use the magnet adjustment system, which is, I'm pretty sure how to use the magnet adjustment system is probably the thing I'm going to need the most help with. Does this help at all? No, this is just a tutorial. Damn. It really doesn't tell us how to adjust the magnet, so I guess I'm going to try and figure that out for myself. Let me just remove this tape real quick. Okay, so I watched J-Pump's unboxing, and I think what you have to do is you have to take this screwdriver out, and then you put your finger here, and then you drag this whole thing out like that, and then you get access to these magnet adjustment tools at the bottom. Okay, let's see. So right now we have this thing that says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and right now it's pointing at 1. Is that the strongest setting? I mean, this is pretty strong, but I think 1 is the strongest, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm not really gonna mess around with the settings too much today. I'll probably do that in my full review, but let's just see how this turns. So right now it is on setting 1. If you guys can see, I'm holding it at an angle. It says 1 right there. So if I insert this tool here, and then if I twist it clockwise, and then now it's pointing at the number 4. If I twist it one more time, okay, so now it points at the number 5. So if I do that for all of these edges, okay, so now all of these magnets here, this one, these are all on setting number 5. Let's see. Okay, there's some weird clicking noise. I'm not too sure what that's about, but yeah, this side is definitely a lot weaker than this side. This side, it's sort of a bumpy feeling like that. This side, it's like the magnetic strength is pretty negligible. So 5 is the weakest, and then 1 is the strongest. So yeah, I think that about wraps it up for my unboxing and first impressions of the WRM 2021. I'm pretty impressed out of the box, and I will post my review on my main channel, MCubers, shortly. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Once it's out, I will leave a link to it in the description below. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.